Now see, now we are doing sums based on cross surface area and total surface area of sphere and hemisphere, and that is 13.4. Sums based on surface area of sphere. Okay, we are solving sums based on sphere, and that is only based on surface area. It is sums from 13.4. Exercise 13.4. First sum is find the surface area of sphere with radius 10.5 cm, 5.6 cm and 14 cm. Three sums are given. First sum के लिए when r is 10.5 cm, surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Put the value of pi 22 by 7. R is 10.5, so it is 105 by 10 into 105 by 10. So 7 cancel हो जाएगा. 7 1 जा, 7 5 जा, 5 3 जा, 5 2 जा, 2 11 जा. Okay. So it is ultimately what is left, you know, a 5 2 ja and 2 2 ja. फिर से 5 21 ja. It is 21 into 3, 63 into 22. It is 63 into 22. So my answer is 1386 centimeter square. This is the area of first sphere. Now second sphere. R is given as 5.6 centimeter. So what is the surface area of sphere? Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, and that is 4 into 22 7 into 56 by 10 into 7 8 ja 56. Okay, you multiplied everything. 88 into 1448. It is 88 into 448. Divide by 100. So my answer is 394.24 centimeter square. Okay. Now for third में radius is given as 14 centimeter. So in third sum r is 14 centimeter. Now surface area of sphere, as I told you, there is no curved surface area. Total surface area of sphere and curved surface area is same, and formula is 4 pi r square. You put the value 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 2 ja. So it is 88 into 28. So my answer is, see, diameter is 14 or radius? Radius is 14. Okay. So let me check. Sir, find the surface area if radius is 14. Okay. So radius is 14. So if you multiply 88 into 28, it is coming, क्या आएगा? 88 into 21. करो उसको. It is 614 into, it is 614 into 4. It is 16, carry 1, 5 and 20. 2456 centimeter square. This is the area of this. Okay. No, it is 614 नहीं 616. It is 616. 88 into 7 is 616 into 4. So it is 6 4 ja 24, carry 2 6 and 2464 centimeter square. ओके देखो कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक है तो कोई वादा नहीं, आप करेक्ट कर सकते हैं, बराबर. फॉर्मूला में मिस्टेक नहीं होनी चाहिए. क्लियर. फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द स्फीयर ऑफ डायमीटर 14, 21 and 3.5. So it's very similar to sum number 2. Sum number 1 you can try by your own. Only difference is first case में you should take RE is 7 centimeter. Second case में you should take RE is 21 by 2 centimeter. And in third case you should take RE is 3.5 by 2. मैं एक करती हूँ, दूसरा तीसरा आप करेंगे. What is the surface area? Surface area of sphere formula will remain same. First sum radius was given, here diameter is given 4 pi r square. So it is 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is 7 into 7. 7 gaya. 88 into 7. 56 carry 5. 56 and 5 61. 616 centimeter square. Same way you find out second sum. For second sum radius is 21 by 2. So what is the surface area of sphere? Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. You put 4 into 22 by 7, r should be taken as 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. तो 7 3 जा 4 4 गया इधर. So it is 66 into 21 multiplied करके लिख दो centimeter square. So same way you can do the third one. Okay, I am not doing very similar to first sum. You can try by your own. The radius of a spherical balloon is increases from 7 to 14 as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in the two cases. So here we should find out two surface area. S1, here R1 is given as 7 centimeter and R2 is given as 14 centimeter. I am asked to find out ratio of the surface area of the two balloon. So first I find out S1. S1 is 4 pi R1 square and S2 is 4 pi R2 square. Okay, clear? So ratio S1 is to S2 is 4 pi R1 square is to 4 pi R2 square. क्यों हम वैल्यू अभी रखेंगे? 4 pi गया. So ratio is R1 square is to R2 square. R1 square is 49, R2 square is 196. 49 4 ja 196, ratio is 1 is to 4. Without putting any value, I got the ratio 1 is to 4. Very shortcut. एक extra sum मैं आपको दे रही हूँ. It is given like this. Find the total surface area of hemisphere. What is the next time I am doing? Find the total surface area of hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter, and here you are asked to use pi is 3.14. Okay, now what is the total surface area of hemisphere? सिखा दिया है मैंने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर is 3 pi r square, not 2 pi r square. Why? You know very well. I explain it very nicely. 3 into 3.14 into 100. R square मतलब 100. It is 3 into 314 because 100 से multiply करो 2 decimal गया. So what is the answer? 942 centimeter square. Clear? Clear? Now there is another sum. Now you are given a hemispherical bowl. A hemispherical bowl made up of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Clear? Find the cost of the plating on the inside at a rate of 16 per 100 centimeter square. Now here what is R is given as diameter is 10.5, so R is 10.5 upon 2, so 5.25 centimeter. And here we should find out curved surface area of a bowl. Bowl is a hemisphere and अंदर से हमको plating करना है, तो we require to find out curved surface area of hemisphere. Here we need not to take total surface area, okay? Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Clear? So it is 2 into 22 by 7 into r square is 525 by 100 into 525 by 100. Do the calculation. देखो इधर पहले हम क्या करेंगे, सब कैलकुलेशन करोगे ना तो आपका आएगा 33 इंटू कैंसिलेशन खुद करो, इधर 11 आएगा, ओके, और इधर 50 आएगा. क्लियर? और फिर इधर 7 है ना, 7 चला जाएगा, नीचे 100 ही रखने का. 7 से कैंसिल करोगे तो 7 7 जा 49, 3 रहा 7 5 जा, फिर इधर 5 से करो 10 जा एंड 5 1 जा 5, 15 5 जा. सो इट इज 22 इंटू 11 इंटू 2 और 2 भी जाएगा ना. हाँ, ये 15 है ना, 5 3 जा 5 2 जा यानी 2 2 भी गया. क्या आया? 11 3 जा 33 into 525. Okay, my answer is 33 into 525 upon 100 centimeter square. Okay, this is my. Now the cost. Cost is what is given? Cost is rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So total cost देखो 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर का 16, तो इतने सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर का कितना, तो क्या आएगा 33 इंटू 525 अपॉन 100, राइट, इंटू 16 by 100. ओके, क्या आएगा कॉस्ट पता है आपको? कैलकुलेशन करो. 25 से कैंसिलेशन करने के बाद तुम्हारा आंसर आएगा ₹27.72. ₹27.72. क्यों? ये कैंसिल करो ना 25 से. क्लियर? देन यू डिवाइड इट. यू आर गेटिंग 84 into 33 डिवाइड बाय 100. ओके, 84 into 33, 84 क्यों आएगा? देखो कैंसिलेशन करो, 100 ही नीचे रखना है, तो आपका आएगा 25 4 जा एंड 25 2 जा 1 जा एंड ईयर 4 4 जा. So it is 84 into 33 upon 100. So 84 into 33 is 2772. 2 decimal काटो. This is a cost. Okay. Find the radius of this sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. What is the question? Find the radius of sphere whose surface area is, उल्टा सम पूछा है. Surface area is given as 154 centimeter square and you are asked to find out the radius. Now see, surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Your surface area is given as 154 is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. So 22 how many जा 7 जा 150 बराबर. तो क्या आया मेरा r स्क्वायर आया 49 by 4. सो मेरा r आया 7 by 2 मतलब 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Find the surface area of the sphere, cos surface area of cylinder and ratio of areas obtained in 1 and 2. So this is the last sum for this exercise. I have done few more sum also in between. Okay. टेक्स्ट बुक से ज्यादा मैंने एक दो सम एक्स्ट्रा भी अंदर कवर कर दिया और भी उसके नीचे मैं एक्स्ट्रा सम करवा दूंगी आपको. ओके. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. See figure 13.22. सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फीयर पूछा, फिर cos सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर पूछा और फिर रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑब्टेन इन 1 and 2. क्लियर. Let us assume let S1 is surface area of sphere. Okay. I calculate it is 4 pi r square. Okay. Now let S2 is a surface area of core surface area of cylinder. Okay. What is core surface area of cylinder? Formula is 2 pi r into h. Okay. It is 2 pi r into h, but h is 2r दिया है. So it is also 4 pi r square because you are given कि hemispherical bowl is or a right circular cylinder is just encloses a sphere. So height of sphere, height of cylinder is equal to 2r. From figure you can observe this. So now what is your ratio of S1 is to S2? It is 4 pi r square is to 4 pi r square. So ratio is 1:1. मतलब surface area of core surface area of cylinder and surface area of sphere are same. Clear? Clear. Ratio is 1:1. Now see, extra sum I am doing you. I am giving you 1 or 2. In between also I have covered 1 or 2 extra sum. Now I am giving you this extra sum. A hemispherical bowl is made up of a steel. आगे भी एक बाउल का एग्जाम्पल हमने करवाया बराबर. हेमिस्फियरिकल बाउल मेड अप ऑफ ब्रास इन अ डायमीटर 10.5 वो हमने करवाया ना. उसका कॉस्ट आया ₹27.72. दिस सम इज ऑल्सो वेरी सिमिलर टू दैट. अ हेमिस्फियरिकल बाउल, a hemispherical bowl is made up of steel, 0.25 centimeter thick. ये सब एक्स्ट्रा सम आई थिंक रिवीजन एक्सरसाइज के जब हम करेंगे तो नहीं करेंगे. दी इनर और कोई आई थिंक इट इज फ्रॉम रेफरेंस बुक. द इनर रेडियस ऑफ द बाउल is 5 centimeter. Okay, find the outer core surface area. Find the outer core surface area of the बाउल. अब देखो इनर रेडियस कितना दिया है. इनर रेडियस is given 5 centimeter. So what is the outer radius? It is 0.25 centimeter thick. So outer radius is 5.25 centimeter. So what is the outer core surface area? Outer core surface area outer core surface area of bowl is 2 pi into capital R square. Here my capital R is 5.25. Same sum. याद आया ऊपर वाला sum? Answer will be coming 173.25. क्या आंसर आएगा? इट इज आंसर आएगा 525 into 33/100. कैलकुलेट करोगे तो 173.25 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आएगा. नाउ there is another one sum extra. The diameter of moon. The diameter of moon is approximately. ये सब एक्स्ट्रा सम है. वन-फोर्थ of the diameter of earth. Okay, find the ratio of their surface area. Find the ratio of their surface area. Okay, ratio of their surface area. Now let radius of earth is suppose r. So what is radius of moon? Is r by 4 because diameter is 1/4. Diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. So radius of earth is also radius of moon also 1/4 of radius of earth. So suppose S1 is surface area of earth. That is 4 pi r square. ऐसा हमने किया ना एक सम तो ऐसा सिमिलर टाइप का सम कर दिया. Now S2 is surface area of moon. is equal to 4 pi r by 4 whole square, that is 4 pi r square by 16. Clear? So S1 is to S2 is 4 pi r square is to 4 pi r square by 16. 4 pi r square gaya. So it is 16 is to 1. Earth is, so S2 is to S1 is 1 by 16. Ratio of surface area of moon is to surface area of earth is 1 is to 16. Clear? So that complete your exercise 13.4. Not only that, few extra sum also I have covered. Clear? Few extra sum also I have covered. Clear?